Morning dear students, this is English period and we are reading lesson 4, I became a man. We have read page number 48 and 49 about a 10 years boy named Carlo who lives in Quezon City, Philippines. What happened with him, we will continue in our next page. Mother told him, get your raincoat, hail an auto and fetch us. She said, stunned, I could not utter a word. He could not utter a word due to shock. My mother continued, Carlo, is that okay with you? Was it okay with me? Was she kidding? My mother was asking me, are you okay at home? But she doesn't know what it okay with me. Was she kidding? Kidding करना means मजाक उड़ाना. वो मेरा मजाक उड़ा रही थी. Because I was not okay at home. It was raining hard. It was dark and thunder roared every minute. Not that I was scared, but I was only 10. Who knew what danger awaited me out there in the dark? It was raining hard. It was dark and thunder roared every minute. Some time of natural activities was going on outside of the house. Not that I was scared. मुझे उनसे डर नहीं लग रहा था. But I was only 10. Who knew what danger awaited me out there in the dark. मुझे नहीं पता था बाहर क्या होगा. Sure, no problem, I replied. मैंने अपने आप को बोला, sure, there will be no problem. I put the phone down. I could not believe I had said yes. But I said my mother, yes, I am coming. I wanted to call back to say I couldn't do it. I wanted that I could not come, Mama, but I could not do this. But then I stopped. Do grown men shrink away from the challenges? तब मैंने अपने आप को सोचा मैं बहुत बड़ा हो गया हूँ. Shrink away to draw back in fear. अपने डर को दूर भगाऊंगा. No, and I was a grown man. Right then I resolved to face the impossible challenge that lay before me. I want to solve problem which was lay before me. To commute to a department store 5 minutes from home. I want to go department store which was 5 minutes from my home. I put on my yellow raincoat and stepped out of the house. Stepped out, सीढ़ियाँ उतरना. I put on my yellow raincoat. मैंने अपना yellow raincoat पहना and stepped out of the house. The chilly wind hit me in the face. Chilly, sharp, तेजी से. And the rain pounded me. Lightning streaked across the sky and thunder boomed. बिजलियाँ चमक रही थी, बादल गरज रहे थे. I was scared. Scared means डर गया. I hadn't taken a public transport before and I did not know what to do. इससे पहले मैंने कभी पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट हायर नहीं किया था. एंड आई डिडंट नो व्हाट टू डू. आई रिकॉल्ड रीडिंग स्टोरीज अबाउट किडनैपर्स डिस्गाइज्ड एज ऑटो ड्राइवर्स. मुझे वो स्टोरी याद आने लग गई जिसमें ऑटो ड्राइवर्स किडनैपर्स के रूप में आते हैं. आई स्टार्टेड टू वॉक बैक टू माई हाउस व्हेन एन ऑटो पुल्ड अप बिसाइड मी. जब मैं अपने घर से चलने लगा. Then one auto pulled up beside me. Boy, do you need a ride? The driver asked. The driver asked, do you want to auto? I hesitated. The driver wore a transparent raincoat 10 sizes too big and had a mustache. Mustache means mooch. The driver wore a transparent raincoat. Driver ने transparent raincoat पे रखा था. 10 sizes too big and had a mustache. Mustache means उसके फेस पर मूछ थी. I remembered action films where the bad guys spotted a mustache. मुझे फिल्मी सीन याद आने लगे. I wanted to say no, but I knew I might not get another auto. I wanted to say no when driver asked me, "Do you want an auto?" I wanted to say no, but I knew I might not get another auto. लेकिन मैं उसे नो नहीं बोल सका. Are you getting in or not? तुम ऑटो में बैठ रहे हो या नहीं? Are you getting in or not? The driver asked as the auto's engine hummed impatiently. ऑटो का इंजन चल रहा था और ड्राइवर मेरे से पूछा तुम्हें ऑटो में बैठना है या नहीं. ओके dear students, we will continue our story in our next class. Read page number 48, 49 and 50. If you have any doubt, you may ask me in your Zoom class as well as on my WhatsApp number. Okay? Have a nice day.